Theophilus Anani, so the best media school in Ghana there, and a too much multimedia college. If we say a band equipment apapa, a church for our quadruple awadisium, any air conditioned room there, a band media law, advertising, camera handling, and a marketing there. And then a location of a coffee pipe junction. For number ne boasio, na one casa free. Na mo bi anda da one, na me mo bi casa me frama. One casa free, abati
Ebufia for to my GH ni enamoni egusuo na honorable Kennedy Japan one Kelvin Taylor. Bomu mienu ntemu ntem no etimi emrase da de biata ejafofo ebe femu matese no buruja matese sem no kwana koso na mobeka ya enche bia ne beto ja se honorable Kennedy Japan no na lawyer for makopie mu US man mu atese mo ehhehye entempa so se umbesu Kelvin Taylor for defamation eni nyama hudo bia wo ye edi etia honorable Kennedy Japan na ne niem na branch utimi se hu bia no ye ni hu amatese still na no o da so de na so a wo se wonu honorable mbe twene trade ama be de ewo Ghana se ni abuchima mu oni a wo so honorable de every bia already e de man na nuti na ne wo ba bonti abeka se every bia honorable ka se owo ye former president John Dramani Mahama ni naked video wo beso won release meto abontina onfengu ne nimu ase na ode sa se mo beto dwa no Taylor obeka se video bi enu osa ma ona abodi na chine se wo na pen one person ode beto abotesa so we peni sa so na former president so peni sa na no na anam so ama sabre Taylor ababonti abeka se honorable Suswampa se o video bisa fa former president John Dramani who naked video bisa wo pa won fa to abonte wono so be chen so ye bema wono so the honorable Kennedy Japan ni video no so no naked ne ma 12 egumpemu ebeda abonte no 12 minutes o beto abonte mo bi emu say yes honorable no so shewo so bi shewo wono so shewo pa na sa back and forth or so why ready or person on face honorable face to face that man for say we eba ko see he kasa keke ana say eni be te chira ebetime ma asem we abaye kese enu nti ne busa for mo nje penie na mentwa mo ho emra me ba na ensem no ye do mosuko ewo ha se Akwaba babe na sabe bo me na me director BB Ben Bruce Akwaba emba ejumidi no eso director me Akwaba bibi aboko
you
I said they were feeling relaxed now be
they be very relaxed
era mood ne era
say you funny girl
the groove
wow
okay funny sir all right share honorable Kennedy Japan and Kelvin Taylor and semi Abrantana de honorable ma yet say honorable soon with noise US men but still na say o de na who be am born still na or de to say or de honorable the more honorable say him say I do cheap can so be a dem I say wait that be be
me charity for and pen for boo baby said so she dry na oboda for e be for atare say yes o di na chi
e wo be boy dey explain number say
we na mo boda Emi ya say Ghana for say Sanya man kwasi asem say yes so kwasi asem at the highest order what I say
omuntem ntokwa
no enye omunkwa but akoso na me kwasi asem
beef no
then beef
emi no obi enya
waho niama bi are alien to us na yes so kwasi asem so
okay
waho ade no mo ye nyansa be vare wo Ade no mo yen does it put food on my table?
No.
Yeah, one nyama I say hwa. Mo sorry na wait tomorrow. If any force say. Me dey can tell me who that. But honorable minimum no face to face. Or your MP. So MP you need to have certain cloud over you.
Okay.
Oh. And you know ma kola we chochofi we emie na no otunwato. No. Sebe ye ka so be a mature da. When nipa ne kasa no ayedi na outside is no charge ma no mu se nipa na jimi no otoma na so o so na masa music na make I respect Kennedy Japan very much but where is going he needs to stop because boy no twena ba idea bi no no so pulling himself in. What I said, but he needs to be the man that I know he is. Just keep quiet. And you be na sebe yes so. I said you on my so a bibia nim unyare. We me sure say at the $1 kwa be kan sika. Ehun a waste of time.
All right, but ni name no that I mean to know but unim say we din say dey I say tako bit me kan wa wo so wa na say waka as asem na nya ya say ona bo onye ni padin ni dada ena oye community la social say no free no ba won say akoso a ma na koka ase waka ma say na wa break and all responded to it. You other people about one and asema one we feel but can tell that as we brown the limit to 20 away free. It when should like everybody na say won twi obi aso won ade a waya say oh yeah won free oh yeah won free but dear everybody na won say they be we are all to attach where they because we can say eh ngwa say won abo ye peni say ko won free but ade so brand to onye so jai so it's baby no one stepping in now on stepping the 12 feet down now on train so
unim say ni say it me nya Jimmy for
unim say
it me arrest no
enya ni say
silence total silence
feel that
onim me ya de na ekwa mu hia me na wo kasa na me ko me hwe madum a obi a sister no kasa so aboda
okay
total silence
feel that
because you see niama na Calvin Ekano, it doesn't carry weight. Who will be naked picture? So what?
Okay.
Bema put there, who will be naked picture? Na, saying, every crowd, Obi Behuna me Bema Sona, said the quadro.
All the advert to cram.
Bet me crack advert. Now, who will be naked picture? Na, I
okay.
Oh, and you may be on a make a set. Ghana, maybe I do know. Yes, so young person me say, this me will naked picture, me, unya naked picture, na ye me no obi ada today.
They threaten we.
Who they threaten me say
video me
me me yiri nim say me nya virgin. Me baba wa me dwam.
All right.
Me worry me kwa me dwam. It would me make a picture beto wa. Na ye den. Ama. There be only me make a picture beto wa na say we ase asizi.
Ti Kevin oni case dia.
Na who nim po say make a picture no de beto wa. What de beto wa no? I can see you. You know that?
It's also ya we no case.
Yeah, really law ni you.
Okay.
Law no part say, me privacy. Who him say me no kasa. Na say you so person record me. You have to tell me. You know.
Yeah.
Me no kasa now recording me without telling me. I can see you.
Okay.
In the same way, no privacy. And this one is more private.
Okay.
So why would you want to bring it out? Na say there no be here nanka. Your man go dance home. Don't stop those nonsense. When you be naked with so what? Fuck out away.
Na way over US my mo.
I hate to say me ho. Emra na ko ba bia o.
I say odidi obi o man mu. Ye man mu no odidi no. Ana nipa no odidi no.
Fi na go for person fi no.
No pray.
Fi no person fi no. Because emra na won US krana emu akese no wo.
Okay.
Metimi a wo Ghana, metimi anya lawyer wo US. Obe face squarely. Me ti Ghana o, me ma. Bo be face unity emra ni new year. Oh, when I make us emra ni new year, o se emra ni ho. Na say say mu kakra course. Mo se emra ho. Emra ho pa nti wo ya de a e say wo ye very careful in life. Enye bibia na e say wo so. Sometimes when obi ye kwase ade say mo na so a, wo so ma wo nipa nipa ko nya asem. E ti say agrada ne o su be pa ade. Agrada ye na no gbogoro wo ko so asemato. Agrada na twen ho. What it may be. So sometimes enye bibia na say be ye so.
Okay.
Obi wo ho no ma oye obonsam. Ye wo no na wo ye obonsam. Enti manage je wa show him you are a mature person. Just forget. Oka na do babia he will stop.
He will stop.
I say but oka na ka wa. I say I had a canon. Enti afi metwitwa ho. But ehim fa na dey ko. Amen. Say we are honorable. Member of parliament. Hwe ukrom nyina they look up to you. Sometimes you need to show action. Say no, baby, I do no matter. Forget about this guy. Let me move on. Na here. Obi o naked with na here.
Anya bibia na ebisafo na say the director bibi wo e canon no say ehun hia kra po say honorable best so in same way so na obe free Calvin Taylor e wo ne outpass mu no ka be man honorable ye no dimu estipa dan say o man aso ene anam so ma open lawyers on need to odi agbochi akoni abasa ne nya nafa so bia eni enti wo so adwenchefo fra different from the director akan dia na mo dia dia tujwa boy comment section woni biom so wa share video way on all the social media platforms. Oh, you understand no? And mom refuse to subscribe to Twin my GH. Is that say when you have pray at the mom to mo dia na mo subscribe is na nipa na ye woman no. Mo se betimi aka every bia ye be upload the videos. Me din na ama obisa. Aha, and I'm doing komo no AC. Nya me ya tuma. Ye be dey sharp ma kram nya.
Theophilus Anani, so the best media school in Ghana there, and yet too much multimedia college. If we say about equipment, apapa, a church for our quadruple ewadisium, any air conditioned room there, about media law, advertising, camera handling, and marketing there. And you're not a location, Abeka Free Park Junction. Fanamba ne boasio, na wankasa frɛ. Na obi anda da ma na me mo bi kasa me frama. Wankasa frɛ, abati di.